Hey folks, this video will teach you how to pronounce the Brazilian Portuguese word mais. The correct pronunciation is mais. Once again, mais. But here's a fun fact. In Brazil, mais means both more and plus. Here are some examples. I want more food. In Portuguese would be eu quero mais comida. 1 plus 2 is 3. In Portuguese would be mais 2 é 3. But wait, there's more. In some regions, you might even hear it pronounced as mais instead of mais. But remember, the correct pronunciation is always the one that people can understand. So don't be afraid. Choose whatever is easiest for you. Let's say it one more time. Mais. You've got it. If you have any other word suggestions, feel free to comment below. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.